If you are wondering what type of charger you should get for POCO F8 Ultra, what is the recommended one, then let me quickly answer the question for you. So in this case we have 100 watts wired charging, which is also supported with PD 3.0 and QC3+. There's also 100 watts PPS charging possible. So if you have a charger that has one of these technologies, then you should be able to get the highest charging speed possible. Of course, as long as you have 100 watts charger or more naturally. So in this case, you are looking most likely for a Xiaomi charger or POCO charger, if there is one, that has 100 watts or more. Most of the time, these are the most optimal ones, the most compatible ones, of course. So you should be most happy with these type of chargers, made by Xiaomi, of course. And we also have the USB-A to USB-C cable inside the box, which means that if you want to use the original cable, you want to get a charger or power adapter that has USB-A port, and Xiaomi chargers still have these. Of course, you are not really limited to Xiaomi chargers, because if you for some reason don't want to get the original Xiaomi charger, you can get any other charger. It is still recommended to get a well-known brand, for example Samsung, Motorola, and maybe OnePlus, etc. And these chargers work just fine as well. And if you get 100 watts or more, then of course you should still be pretty happy with them. But of course you might need to actually change the cable as well if these power adapters have USB-C port instead. So this is just something to keep in mind. So to sum it up, you want 100 watts charger, PD 3.0 or QC3+ or PPS, and the best choice will be a Xiaomi charger in this case. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.